many cars do you have? Oh, a red car? Is the red car going to go up into the car carrier truck? Okay. Oh no! It fell down. Try again. Oh no! Crashed on the ground.
I want to pick it up. It's behind me.
It was behind you. Oh my goodness. Two. Is that the silver car? You have to go up slowly.
Slowly?
Yeah. Slowly so it doesn't fall down. I see you.
I'm just looking.
You're looking in there. What's in there? I don't see anything. Oh! He's going in. Oh, he went inside. He went to the bottom.
Huh?
And lift it up. Got him out. Is he going to go on the top or the bottom?
Top.
Okay.
And this one is
Looks like we have 3 cars up here. Oh, red truck coming up now. Top or bottom? Top. Good.
This is gonna fall.
It won't fall. I got it. We have a blue car coming up now. Whoa! Don't push it off the table. That looks like a gold car.
Gold one?
A gold one.
Gold.
Yep.
This one's like a gold too.
That's a gold one too? Nice.
Like a scene.
Oh yeah, they are. 2 gold cars.
A blue one and the green one.
A blue one and a green one.
Hi.
Hi there.
Whoa.
Come on up, guys.
I can't go up.
One can.
Huh?
You have 1 space right here.
One face?
Yep, 1 more space left. All right, green car made it up. Now is the blue car going to go underneath the second level? Oh, okay. Mm. What's in there? I see you.
I told you.
2 more left. We have red and yellow. All right, close it up.
Hot. And I go this way.
We left the top open. Open up the back. Pull this open. Oh, there we go. Now push that down. Now pull it up.
Up.
Yep. Close it up.
There.
Close it up. Push. Push. Open the gate, please. Thank you.
That's a good face in there.
Yeah.
That's a good face.
Oh, watch out for the paddle.
That's not a very good face.